Nope. Oh, damn it. I didn't mean to actually turn my camera on. Yeah, well. School day's over. Or not school day. Warren Tech's over. Sad day. Now I have to go to regular school. Crappy day. And, yeah, luckily I don't have to take the park testing though. So, yeah. I will see you guys in a bit though, because I have to drive. Yeah. Actually make it in before the bell rang. Oh! Don't even know how that matters, that. How's your day? As you like pick your nose. By the way, yeah, new vlogging camera. Well, not new vlogging camera, but I have editing software that I can actually use camera. Cool. I got sulfur on my finger. No. No. I'd rather not have sulfur on my camera. There! Bitch. Or
Cum dumpster.
Okay. That was a good one.
Not necessary.
Ass nugget.
Oh, butt plugger. I smoked it.
Vagina. Okay, you failed. Calvin, you failed. Both of you do.
No, I don't like the one side being heavy and the other side not being heavy.
Brilliant. Wait, are you wearing your fuck shirt? Yes, you are.
Fuck up, son.
Oh?
I literally got bored, so I started writing swag on my desk.
Why? Do you know that means secretly we are gay? It's a 19. It was late. Hey, anyone want some fries?
No.
But it's like a gay rights group. What did he squirt on the window? What the hell is that? I want to know what the hell that is. You even saw me.
I know. I don't know why I didn't like put it together.
And then I got you too. Wah, I win. Ah. Trying to avoid running into people. So many people nowadays. Well, not right now, but normally there are. I look insane talking to nothing, pretty much. Oops.
Smile.
See. What is down there that I know? Not people. Okay.
There's like no purpose at work that I know.
Sarah.
I was gonna be like, I'm the center of the show. It'll be all good.
I turned my camera on at the right moment. Like I literally, right as I turned my camera on right before you did that. I'm like, oh.
That was a great twist too.
That was like the best timing I could have had. I'm parked over here.
Yeah, like I didn't eat anything. Like I didn't have any sugar this morning.
Ooh,
So
low
I
blood sugar then?
Fainted during third, yep.
Yeesh, that's always
That's
a
choir
blast.
too, so I'm like in the middle of the risers.
And then just,
Well, I knew I was going down because I fainted before.
oh,
and I felt
yeah.
sick. And I like awkwardly raised my hand and asked if I could sit down.
I would have just sat down and not cared.
That's what everyone said. They were like, you should have just sat down. You look like you were gonna die. I felt like I was gonna
Don't die. Give you a hug, don't die.
Well, I was like trying to be polite. I was like, sir, can I sit down? He's like, you look really sick. And I was like, yeah.
Oh shit, no, I'm not parked over here. I'm parked all the way over there. Oh well.
Walk over.
I'm used to parking over here, so I'm like, wait.
I've
Oh, well.
eaten a lot of sugary stuff. I should be fine.
And if you fall, I can always give you a piggyback.
I hate getting piggyback rides.
Why?
I'll crawl.
Why do you hate
Scoot.
piggybacks?
I've been dropped on my head too many times.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a logical fear.
Yeah, especially if you've been dropped so many times.
It's not fear.
You just don't want to get dropped.
Yeah. Use protection, you fucking bitches.
Okay then, that came out of nowhere. That came out of nowhere.
Ah.
Perverted joke of the day, check.
Oh, dude, so you know, what math class are you in?
Brute couch trick. It's not that bad, actually.
Okay, I'm taking it next year.
Like, it's, honestly, it's basically a repeat of Algebra 1.
You know that stuff we were talking about in marine bio?
Yeah,
About how stupid math is?
yeah.
So I had to make up the
Some stuffed animal got chewed to pieces. I'm home. There's one. There's two. There's three. Are you gonna cooperate today? Ah! Alright. There we go. Oh. Oh, come on, pupper. Okay, you are a dork. Brilliant. No. Yeah, no, these are just... This is why we can't leave the socks and whatnot around the house. Wow, she's being more aggressive with it. It's because every time, like, I seriously see new socks and shoes and God, there's even a gauze pad out here. That's just like, really? But I need to buy a backup. Where? Oh shit! That's why I don't stand on the log. And then there's Ginger. Just the watchful bystander. What? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? As she licks my pants. Dork. Mom is trying to focus on random stuff. AKA my graduation invitation? Yeah, graduation invitations. I like the tongue out of the mouth.
Not Spanish. Yeah, it is. Dunkin's new spicy omelet flatbread is made with
What?
habanero, jalapeno, and red bell peppers, then topped with bacon and cheese.
Quote bigger than you expected.
I can make it work.
That's what she said.
You have seen